Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today we are going to discuss authentication, MAC. What is a MAC? A brief introduction to it. A message authentication code MAC is a cryptographic technique used to verify integrity authentication. What does the integrity mean here? Message was not modified simply, and the authentication message came from the real sender. MAC uses a secret key plus hashing to protect the message. So let's understanding message authentication code. So first, basic of all, the definition: a cryptographic tool for verifying message, integrating and authenticity. But the importance of the MAC ensures data integrity and verifies senders' identity in communication. Then mechanism. What is the mechanism behind it? It combines a secret key and the hash process to guard against unauthorized changes. So example, it's used in banking transactions, API authentication, secure messaging. So now we will go through the complete working of this MAC. First of all, the generation of MAC. That's MAC generation. The sender creates a MAC by combining the original message with the shared secret key. Then message transmission. The sender transmits both the original message and the MAC to the recipient. The third step for the verification process, where the receiver reconstructs the MAC to ensure it matches the received MAC. Fourth one is key requirement. MAC reveals on both parties have access to the same secret key. This was about the working. Now some properties of the MAC. First one is integrity. Second, authentication, efficiency, security. Integrity here detects message changes. Message is changed, then it's not a good thing, right? So this is about MAC enables detection of any authorization change to the message, ensuring that the communication remains intact. So this is about integrity. Now sender authentication. In simple words, authentic confirms sender identity. It confirms the identity of the message sender providing so on. Then computation efficiency is fast computation. How much time it takes, that is the efficiency for it. It should be fast. So this is a good property of MAC. Security defense. The overall security of MAC relies heavily on selecting strong algorithms and maintaining the secrecy of the shared key. So whole thing security depends on strong key and algorithm. Moving next, types of message authentication code: HMAC, CMAC, UMAC -VMS. What are these things? If these things are new to you, don't worry, we are here to clear these things. HMAC, hash based MAC. It uses a hash function like SHA-256, mostly was used in MAC methods. It's secure and efficient. The applications are the HTTPS, APIs, JWT tokens. Other one is CMAC. It's a cipher-based MAC. Uses block ciphers like AES. Stronger for hardware-based security. Used in military system payment industry. VMC is designed for high-speed networks. These MACs are optimized for quick computation, making them suitable for environment where speed is critical. They are very faster than these. So these were the types. Now what is the difference between MAC and digital signature? So for example, moving towards the key. In MAC there is a secret shared key. In digital signature there are two keys, public and private. Then authentication is the feature which have both MAC and the digital signatures, both have authentication, integrity both. Non-repudiation. For MAC it's non-repudiation. For digital signature, yes, it has its feature. Speed. MAC is faster than digital signatures. Security model. What kind of security model? MAC have symmetric and digital signatures have asymmetric. That is written here. MAC uses a shared secret key while digital signature appear so on. It's written here. You can take a screenshot if you want. Moving towards real world application of the Mac. First one in banking security, Wi-Fi security, API authentication, cloud storage. These are the main applications of the Macs. So, what are the limitations of the secret key systems? Key sharing necessity, lack of non-reputational, key comprise impact. So what does that mean? What are these limitations? Both parties must share the same secret key. No non-reputation, sender could deny any message. Compromise of key affects all parties. That is written here. Now let's summarize this video. MAC is equal to message plus secret key plus verify integrity plus authenticity in simple words. As a MAC combines a message and a secret key to verify both integrity and authenticity. What is its performance? It is very fast and secure. MACs are the integral in various applications. HMS standard. HMS is a prevailing standard in use today. So this was all about MAC. If you learned something new today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.